Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set all season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, 64 color ambient lighting, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, Burmeister sound system, a natural grain walnut wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. 10.25-inch widescreen media display. Satellite radio. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, our turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 1,995 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.